Good morning, friends. Hi, it's Mary from Rocky Mountain Gardens. And this morning I am going to share with you my 4th of July decorations. Now this year I am hosting a barbecue here at my house for all of our Colorado family. And so I have really decorated my front porch just up to the nines. And I thought I would share that with you. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I will give you a little tour of my front porch. Hope you enjoy it. Okay, so welcome back. And here you can see an overall view of my front porch with my new flag, and I have that cute bow on my planter that's hanging there in the basket from the ceiling. And I'm going to just walk up to my porch area so you can get a close-up view of each of my little areas of decor. So here's my front door, and I have been working for a while to change my just a normal tract house into a Craftsman Style of architecture. You might be able to tell that from some of the different features on my porch. So here's a little vignette that I have with some chickens, flags, and Uncle Sam riding his trike there, old-fashioned trike. And this is a wreath that I've had for a while, and I just sort of supplemented it with this cute welcome sign to make it look a little nicer. It's not the best, but it'll do for this year. It's not my favorite, I guess I should say. I thought I'd give you a close-up of my hanging basket and this large bow that I got from Walmart. Actually, it wasn't very inexpensive. And then I'm going to swing around here slowly. And I also purchased some of these little metal rockets, 4th of July rockets at, let's see, this might have been from Michael's. So I placed them here by my little garden gnome. You can see them here. So I thought I'd swing around here and show you this little vignette with Uncle Sam again and point out I have these cute little chickens that I got at Michael's, and I used 2 crates from Walmart that I painted white here, and I also placed one of my pothos plants, one of my indoor plants right here, because my porch faces north and gets very little sunlight. It's in very deep shade most of the day. And then I'm swinging around here to this little corner where I have a couple of lanterns. I have this cute sign. I think I got that one from Joann's. These little 4th of July bows are again from Walmart, very inexpensive. A little star from Hobby Lobby, pinwheels in my angel wing begonia from the dollar store, more bows, and there's my coleus that is just doing wonderfully here in this deep shade. And then I'll swing around here. I have 2 chairs on my porch. Got this wonderful pillow from Sea to Shining Sea. Love that. And on my little table here, I have a flower arrangement, a little birdhouse, and some of these cute woven stars in this little flower pot from, I believe those are from Hobby Lobby as well. Another cute 4th of July pillow. And then here I've just added some sort of little sparkler looking glittery decorations. I like a little bling in my decorations. And you might notice here that I changed out the plant I had earlier in a container. It was, let's see, it had some sun patience in it, and they simply were not getting enough sunshine. So I moved them out to my backyard, which is a south-facing area of my yard and gets plenty of sun. So hopefully they will start blooming now. So I planted some coleus in here, asparagus fern. This is a Terenia. It's also called wishbone plant, and a plectranthus that's trailing over here. And then down here, I have a super bells, a purple super bells plant that is doing quite well in this little tricycle, little white tricycle. I love them. Here I'm standing back a little bit from my porch so you can see what I had my handyman do with the posts on my porch. I had him create a Craftsman Style post on my porch to, again, to give my porch that craftsman look. I'm really enjoying that. You can actually take a very plain tract house and turn it into something special. This is what I did around my door. I didn't point that out. That is a Craftsman Style door, I think I said earlier. But I also had them add trim molding around it to give it that craftsman look, make it complete. And I just thought I would give you an overall view of my porch now. A full view of what you see when you come up to my front door. And it's just looking very 4th of July, very cozy and warm. A wonderful place to sit out in the evening and enjoy my neighborhood. So, hope you enjoyed this little video and the 4th of July decor, and maybe it gave you some ideas of what you could do around your home to make it look more festive for our upcoming holiday. Thanks so much for watching, and hopefully my next video will be a tour of my whole backyard area, an overall view. And I'd also like to share with you that I do have a Pinterest page. And on that Pinterest page, I have focused on plants that can survive our harsh climate here in the Rocky Mountain region. So if you're interested in purchasing plants for your garden, a great resource would be my Pinterest page. I'll put a link to it down underneath this video, and you can check it out if you'd like to. All right. Thanks so much. Have a great 4th of July and fun celebrating with your friends and family. I'll talk to you in my next video. Goodbye.